Ka Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya AMAM hakakat santri ukolalingkot arja arpusan kalaraki buram ya kejingdap shipos nam kaseng Hamoro Institute of Integral Training MIIT dhan hakabaka menteri kakot kakia ke sarkar jela kalawan banyak dan lang kum ke kongsan haringkat kejia dan lang uba E1 Shai Shinrat Deputy Director Niya Administrator Doktor Alistair Lingdoa, Presiden ke AMAM, ke Dr. S.I. Karsandi dekot balasong tat ke Ayush nalor kiwe di. Hakategas ngi nakaliang ke menteri kala pentip baka sarkar kala penkrek bantaya ke Islam aji hikai nakabenta ki Doktor Ayurveda bat homeopathy hasora East Khasi Hills District bat Jainte Hills District. Habakran nakani ke jingalang ke Dr. Ampareen kalaong baka sarkar jela kadang penkrek ru ban pen urlong ki mat jing terwa ke association ban pen skampura ke jing syakri ki Doktor ke Ayush. Kalau kenturu bagi doktor, hadir ke jing Pule ki dei benok Synniang haki Shnong bagi dan dak baseng ya ki klinik lajong.
My way to make sure that an amicable service route is placed before the purview of the personnel and the finance department. And I'm pleased to inform you, with your General Secretary and your President, we've been following up on this matter. Unfortunately, officers are not here, otherwise they would have been the best persons to assure you of all your pending requirements. I use the word requirements because it is incorrect for anybody on any association to use words which are very harsh like pending demands. I think we are partnering with you. I think you are aware of that. Several health centers are assisted to a large extent by the Ayush doctors. That's because we had this great difficulty of doctors coming back to the state despite the fact that they have all availed a state quota. So that also we are trying to correct, and we are now issuing notices to doctors who refuse to come back to the state to serve. Nevertheless, the Ayush practice is a practice now that the government of India is looking at very seriously and focusing on, so that the people of this country who are used to alternative practices and alternative medicines, especially children and the senior citizens, would anyways prefer the Ayush treatments. We now have started the new building at the Honorable Deputy CM Meghalay's constituency. We are now going to operationalize the Sora Ayush Center. There are a few centers around the state, one in Shillong Mail and others around the state that are actually not functioning and have not actually taken off in the right direction. But all of these appointments in all of these institutes are facing a problem because this state never had even a service room. So I think Mr. President, Alistair, General Secretary, one Nimo, Langstam.
Nakaliang Dr. Alistair ulai thu lingkot ya kejingya lenti ke association bat ki mat jing dan kam ban pen skam ya kejing syakri bapura ki Doktor ke Ayush.
Ayush system of medicine has been introduced in the health department of Meghalaya several decades before. It has appointed Ayush physician under the health department to provide healthcare service through Ayush medicines. However, the Ayush system of medicine gained momentum in recognition and popularity through the mainstreaming of Ayush by the National Rural Health Mission in 2007, though now it is called as the National Health Mission. Furthermore, school health programs was also introduced, which is then upgraded to Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram (RBSK), launched in the year 2013 by NHM, where more number of Ayush doctors were included in providing health services to the public of the state. Seeing the increase of numbers of Ayush doctors in the state, it was necessitated that an organization is required to bring all Ayush doctors under one umbrella. Hence, the ideology of forming the Association of Ayush Doctors originated. Initially, a group of Ayush doctors assembled in a conference hall of the Civil Hospital Shillong in the year 2011, where a joint signature petition of all Ayush doctors attending the meeting was forwarded to the authorities of Health Department addressing the issues of Ayush doctors in the state. This marked as the starting phase of the organized group of Ayush doctors. That is, Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya was coined on that particular day itself. The governing body formulated the constitution of the association and was approved by the majority in the coming days. A brief of what the constitution of Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya. Let me read the preamble of the constitution, which Madam Ampareen has encouraged us to work for. The association has understood its work from the initial. Therefore, the preamble of the association as it's written, quoted, "We, the members of the Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya, do solemnly affirm to make our state and nation prosper in the health sector by putting our best efforts and ability in imparting our knowledge, skills and experience to those in need of our profession for restoration the sick to health. We shall not hesitate to encourage non-members of the same profession to do the same as well." It has embedded in a preamble of the constitution of the association that we need to work hard for the health and welfare of the state. In clause 1, the name of the association has been mentioned. Clause 2, the address, and clause 3, establishment of Ayush of the association, that is on the 10th of January 2015. The area of operation and jurisdiction of the association of the state is within the area of the state of Meghalaya.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.